All right, YouTube, welcome back. Process for Profit, Service Business Simplified. I am Purry, and I want to talk to you guys about setting targets, numbers, and goals. You have to set these targets in order to track your growth, track your success, or track your failures. So if you don't know what your plan is for that day, as far as gaining new customers, gaining more cash flow, bringing more attention and awareness to your brand and your business, then you're pretty much going to be working lost and you're not going to get anything done. So a small attainable goal that can be accomplished around anybody's 9-to-5 schedule would be 50 cold calls a day, 25 postcards on job site boxes. And that's something that you could do on the weekends, at night, and even if you don't cold call, you can still cold email. I've cold emailed a client before, and out of that cold email, 0 introduction, 0 conversations on the phone, I was able to close and secure an $80,000 contract. So it's important to set goals for yourself, to set targets for yourself. Like for me, I would set a target as, okay, I want to work with this particular builder in the area. Okay, how do I get more granular in that? I want this particular build in this area with this builder. If I can get in with this builder, make a great impression with this builder on this site, then the working relationship is something that can be cultivated over time. So attainable goals that can be accomplished. And start this while you're still at your job. If you don't have a job, ramp your attainable goals up. So 50 cold calls a day, 50 on-site postcards and job boxes. That's easily done within 4 to 6 hours a day. That's driving around, that's locating. You might get to a job site and actually get to speak with the builder, the project manager, the superintendent, somebody, and they may point you in the direction of their shop or their office, and you go there. But it's all about making those connections. So if you work overnight and you got to sleep during the day, try to get up a little bit early or go to sleep a little bit later to get your phone calls in, and that way once you sleep, you can sleep good. But you have to figure out a way within your schedule, within your life, to set target numbers and goals. For me, it got kind of hard, so I came out with a journal. I put a journal together, and it focused my mind, it focused my money, and in turn it focused my time and my efforts to be able to grow my business in a systematic way that made sense for me. So my suggestion would be to you guys, set those numbers, set those goals. So what type of goals and target numbers are you guys setting for yourself in order to be able to start a business? It's 2019, the end of the year. Everybody should be thinking business creation. If they're talking recession, you should be thinking business creation. So part of that is setting numbers, targets, and goals. So set those goals, make them attainable so you don't get discouraged out the gate. Dream big, of course, but make the goal something that you can accomplish, because if you're just starting and you set some goal that you can't accomplish, it's going to be very easy for you to quit on yourself. I don't want anyone to quit on themselves. I want everyone to be successful. So set attainable goals. If you know you got kids, you got husband, you got football, soccer, whatever, make your goal attainable, okay? I'm going to do 5 cold calls a day, and I'm going to do 15 postcards and job boxes. But continue to do that, and then at the same time, create a follow-up process. I'll be getting into the follow-up process in the next video. If you guys have any questions, jump down in the comment section below. I'll answer those questions for you guys there. And if it's a good one, I'll make a video about it so we can help other people that may have that question as well. So alright guys, I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Process for Profits. I am Purry. Peace.